Every plant head knows this feeling. Before the day even begins, the first challenge arrives. Production needs answers. Targets need attention. Quality issues need immediate decisions. Dispatch teams need clarity to keep deliveries on track. And inventory data needs to be available instantly. Production, inventory, quality, dispatch. Everyone needs answers, and everyone needs them now. It's only 2:15 p.m. and half the day is already gone. But what if every answer was already available? Because manufacturing leaders should spend less time chasing information and more time making decisions. Your plant doesn't need more reports. It needs better visibility. Probiz ERP. Book a demo.